Hey, Ricardo. How are you, sir? Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing, just delivering on this screencast for the company, like I spoke about with you today. And just wanted to share with you the top 3 things that you can do to your website in order to get more revenue, more leads out of your website. And so let's get started. First thing actually is content. So believe it or not, the Google bots that crawl the websites, they like to see 1,500 words or more on the homepage in particular. So you got some great images here, and I like the simple layout, and the pictures are really good, like I say, but there's actually only less than 100 words of content. So that is the first and most powerful thing that you can do. Would be to add about 1,500 more words to this website. And then the other thing is, believe it or not, if we do this and we go save link as, see how this is labeled download one? So we need to use keywords and the proper tagging content for all of these pictures. And that actually counts as content, and Google sees that. Okay, so this one says basement plus bathroom plus 5. The labeling would be part of your content that you can include, something that not a lot of people look at. So add some content here. Just looking at your competition, went in and did a search for basement remodeling, and actually your top 3. First one is in #1 position on the Google organic search for basement remodeling Denver is Elk Stone Basements. Probably familiar with them. And I wanted to point out they have got a bunch of content and images here. They have about 1,500, 1,600 words actually on this homepage with all the other stuff behind this content here. We'll read more. So this is one of the primary reasons that they are ranking as they are. So that's #1 position. #2 competition is Blue Sky Remodeling. They've got some videos in the header images, so that's kind of a more modern way. But again, primarily they have a bunch of content here. They have around 1,100 words, I think, if I counted in some of these images here too. Not quite that many. And then #3 is going to be the Basements and Beyond. And so if we just go through and look at what their content is representing. So 1, 2, 3, there's less content as we go. Pretty easy to see that part. So that is the primary thing, is content. So adding 1,500 words to this homepage here with keyword rich words in it for your industry, which is the basement remodeling, will start to boost your site and pass up your competition. So let me show you another tool here that we have that takes a look at the content. So this is a tool called Ahrefs, and I went ahead and put the 3 top competitors in here just to see how their website is performing with the backlinks. So the second most relevant thing beyond the content on the first page in particular are backlinks, is #2. So if we looked at the content, they've got strong content, and then we come in here, and so the UR and the DR rating there's something for every website. This is 0 to 100. The 36 is pretty much the popularity of the website, and the 21 here is the strength. The DR is the strength of the domain. And then the interesting thing is they have 2,000 backlinks from 668 referring domains, which qualify them for 2,000 organic keywords, and they actually have added 163 backlinks and 75 keywords in the last 30 days. That's what that indicates. So backlinks are very important. #2 position here for Blue Sky. It goes down significantly here. Their numbers are lower, 26 on the popularity, 27 on the strength of the website. 1,500 backlinks from only 127 referring domains, and then 750 keywords. So they picked up both 23 backlinks and 22 keywords, but you can see how this is going down significantly here over the #2 position, or #1 position. And then #3 position, here's where the opportunity is, my friend. Ricardo, you have an opportunity here to get between 2 and 3, where number 3 is right now. Look how low this is. The UR rating, the popularity goes to 7. The strength of the website goes all the way down to 1.7. They have less than 1,000 backlinks from 378 referring domains, less than 400 organic keywords, and they've lost 15 of those keywords in the last 30 days, but gained backlinks. Okay. Now, here's what your website looks like right now. You got a number 4 and a 1.9. So if you look here, your website is actually just a little bit stronger, not quite as popular as this one. And then of course we need to bring backlinks. So we would want to come up and add about 12 or 1,500 backlinks, get you qualified, and get those coming from about 150 to 200 referring domains, and then 57 organic keywords. We're going to boost that up because he only has 357 keywords. That's not bad. So this is the opportunity to slip into the number 2, 3 position for basement remodeling Denver. So the last thing out of the 3 now is citations. So citation is nothing more than your name, address, phone number. And if we take a look here, let me drag this over. So if we bring it down here, here we go. I was looking for your GMB. So you do have a Google My Business account. Good job. You could probably use optimization on this. However, my point is the name, address, phone number is called your citation. So name of your business, address, and the phone number is not here actually. So we'd want to add that. But that citation needs to be spread across the internet in directories, blog posts, that kind of thing, in order to get your company found. So hope that was helpful, my friend. Use any and all of these to your own benefit. If you'd like to discuss more, please feel free to reach out and give me a call. Thanks.